Hi everyone, my name is Blessing. I'm from Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to Sad Ali for creating the Forex for Beginners Academy. Thank you so much. With your help, I know about Fibonacci. I know about so many tools and how to use them to analyze my chart, like trend line, parallel channels, short position, long position. I know how to set my stop loss and my take profit. I know about how to draw my support and resistance lines correctly. Thank you so much. Thank you also for creating the private student group where you check our charts and review them. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.